Welcome back, beauties, with your girl Tasha with Simply Styling. I am back with another tutorial. My girl AP Young is doing her thing. This is her first palette that she came out with. She has another palette that just dropped. I have not purchased it yet, as well as a few lip glosses. I think a few more things I'm not really sure of. Kind of been MIA for the last 7 days, so I have this palette for a long time, and I just want reach out to her to show that I want to create a look for her and her line. It's very pigmented. Even when I put that red on top, all the colors came from this palette. I used the yellow, the orange, and then the red. And then if you see like a little bit of shimmer, I went into the Pat McGrath holiday collection, the Pat McGrath Labs, and I just put a little bit of red on. It's like a burgundy red on top, but that red inside of Miss AP Young Honey. You're looking for Valentine's Day look. I'll probably be creating another look from this palette particular. And like I said again, that was the red one that gave me this beautiful seductive look. If you want to subscribe to my channel with Simply Styling by Tasha, go ahead, ding, put the notification bell on there where I post my next video. Make sure you follow Simply Styling by Tasha on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned and leave your comments below on what you want to see from Simply Styling by Tasha. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like it, make sure you click the like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Styling with your girl Tasha. I am getting ready to do a look for you from the AP Young collection. This is how her palette looks. Moisturize my face, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Milk Hydro Primer. This is a very good primer. Next, we're going to go ahead and jump right into our brows. I'm using the Anastasia, and this is in chocolate. Juviaplace. This is concealer number 9. And I use this to even up my skin tone in Maybelline number 60. I love this concealer. And this is called Cocoa. Conceal my areas right here. My little spots here. I'm going to go into this. I'm gonna take this and I'm just we're gonna go into our wing liner from Anastasia, liquid liner. And this is number 368. And Juviaplace. $45 in Studio Fix. $58 from Studio Fix, MAC Cosmetics, and just contour. juviaplace. Some blush. I'm gonna put that one. We're gonna use our Marc Jacob pencil, gel pencil. Back in my Dior. Anastasia, and this is called Sunset Aurora Loose Highlighter. And next we're going to take our Chestnut pencil. One and Only by Dose Cosmetics. It's a Mickey Mouse Disney collection. My favorite. You know, I love, we're just talking about Disney. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the inner middle of our lip. And it smells so good. I will be right back. Using this AP Young collection that was less than 30 minutes deep. Young. That came from Miss AP Young collection. My girl did her thing. Okay. And I will see you guys soon. Your girl Tasha is out. I will see you guys later. Bye.